Yo, so my little man has no idea that we brought the Chevelle to the shop today. I got him in the car, so I'm about to take him out and see his reaction. That's his favorite car. Of all the cars I have, the Chevelle, or Favelle as he calls it, it's his favorite car. He's probably gonna freak out. Let's see. What'd you say? Yeah, hold on.
Open it.
I'm trying to open it. Oh, there you go. All right, we gotta come this way. Let's go this way. Favelle. Yeah. You didn't know I went and got it, huh?
It's red.
Yeah.
It's red,
Oh, be careful, baby.
It's red.
Yeah.
It's red.
It's been a while since you've seen it, huh?
Look at Favelle.
Yeah.
Look at Favelle.
Can you believe it?
Favelle.
Can you believe it? Yeah. What do you think, baby?
Good.
Good? Yeah. Can you believe it? Yeah. What color is the Chevelle?
Red.
Yeah. What color is the Mustang?
Red.
Where's the Mustang at?
See, I can over here.
It's right there. Where's the Bel Air?
Right here.
Good job. Where's the Impala?
Right here. On the back.
Where's the El Camino?
Right here.
Good job. Okay, where's the Challenger? Come this way. Come this way and show me. Okay, where's the Challenger?
Right here.
Where? Show me.
Right here. Right here. It's real.
Blue Challenger? Where's the other Challenger?
Right here.
What's this car? What's this car right here?
Cool.
What's this one?
Cool.
Oh, that's a Camaro. Good job. What's this one? What's this?
A Challenger.
Good job, baby. Can't fool you. Are you happy the Chevelle's home?
This Challenger. This Challenger.
All right, baby. Are you happy the Chevelle's back? Because soon we're going to be what?
Top back.
Top back. My man. Woo.